So I have the GoPro Hero 5, I skipped the 6, and now I have one here that's worth the upgrade. So let's have a quick look at the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Hi there, MC here for Steel Falcons Gaming, back with another tech video. Today I will be unboxing the GoPro Hero 7 Black, so let's go and do this. So for those of you who are familiar with GoPro, this is almost the same packaging as has been for many years now, since the Hero 5. And the Hero 7 itself, in appearance, is the same as the Hero 5 and the Hero 6. So the main difference is that the Hero 7 Black is actually colored black. And in this protective casing, you see it's marked here, Black 7. So it will be easy to distinguish, although you can switch this between the different GoPro versions, so it's just for this protective cover. There are two main reasons why I got this GoPro Hero 7. The first is the electronic stabilization, which according to the reviews that I watched, the improvement is pretty significant. And the second reason, I can now shoot 60 frames per second in 4K. So aside from the GoPro Hero 7, you have the protective casing, and what else? Charging cable, connecting cable, a flat mount, a curved mount, and a free micro USB. So I think that's it. So the only things that come standard with this GoPro Hero 7 are the two mounts and the cable. So this micro USB is just an add-on coming from Camera House. So thank you for that, Camera House. And one more thing before I forget. So since the form factor is pretty much the same since the Hero 5, that means all my connectors and all the peripherals that I have for my Hero 5 will be useful as well for this one. So that's pretty neat. So for those of you who are familiar with GoPro, you know there's a whole economy out there for third-party connectors and third-party peripherals for the GoPro. So that means those things are still useful, and those things are still available for all of us who use GoPro, and for those of you who will be buying the Hero 7. And that's my quick unboxing of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Please click like on this video and please subscribe if you haven't yet. MC here for Steel Falcons Gaming, signing off. Peace.